This is Mrs. Miss or Mrs.?
Miss.
Ms.
I was not compatible with the last name I was married to.
Ellin Dodge, and she will be able to tell you everything about yourself related to names and numbers. I guess more numbers. Please put your hands together for Ms. Ellin.
What we're going to do is find out your talents from your first name, your natural instinct, what makes you comfortable, and the way you appear to other people. I'm 71 years old, okay? Number one, thank you very much. I'm sharing this with you because when you live stress-free, you're able to afford a good plastic surgeon. Okay? Anyway, no, I really think that you stay open with the numbers I have. I think my life is great because I get a chance to enjoy the books I wrote years ago as well as the current books. I mean, I never thought From Ace to Zuma would sell to Simon & Schuster, but they'll buy anything. You know, it's a wonderful book. Anybody got a pair of important names? Buddy, here we go. One of my best friends. Who's got Buddy? Come on, come on. Oh, it's you, the guy with the hearing aid. Come on. 23. Well, you know, it isn't strange to find a bunch of number 5s on a cruise ship. Number 5s do not want to stay home.
Messenger or commander, Gaelic. He's victorious, comrade, or chum. Often used as a term of address. A familiar and often condescending term of address for a man or boy whose name is not known.
The bottom line is what the dog is feeling. It's the vowels in the dog's name. It's his deepest self or her deepest self and what the dog is feeling. It's like if you were having a psychic read your dog, this is the section you would look at. The section on the vowels.
The bottom line, wants independence and has difficulty with behavior training. Has faith in himself and his own ideas. Is comfortable and active when not alone.
Is that it? That's all I wrote? Okay, the last section are the idiosyncrasies. You know how we all have idiosyncrasies where we're obsessive and compulsive, or we are out of character in some of the things we do. It's the wacko things your animal does.
Okay, quirks of character. Has awe-inspiring intelligence and needs quiet time alone.
Pardon me?
Has awe-inspiring intelligence and needs quiet time alone.
Okay, well, now, Lloyd thought I was talking about him. Oh, by the way, what's your name?
Alan.
A-L-L-A-N. Oh, thank you so much, you independent so-and-so. Go to it. And thank you. A cat named Buddy? Well, did that sound right?
Exactly.
What? Just a minute, Alan. Face the front. What?
It sounds exactly like my cat, Buddy.
Would you believe? Thank you so much for sharing. I do appreciate that, and thank you for helping me. I love your glasses. They were godsend today. Okay, now, did that sound like your buddy? It wasn't you. Lloyd was going along thinking we were describing him, I think. Yes, so now he's surprised and he has to rethink everything Alan said. Okay? It was just one of those unbelievable coincidences that Alan had a cat named, or a cat named Buddy. So now we know somebody's got the description right, okay? All right, now, did you hear what he said about you? Could you apply it to Buddy?
Somewhat.
Oh, that's good enough considering his mind was on Lloyd. Okay. I would have trouble recalling too. Oh, just a minute. This is Buddy's mother. Lloyd's better half, I think, at this point.
The thing that is, we have a dog named Cuddles, not Buddy.
Oh. And he's supposed to have his hearing aid on. I said, anybody whose pet's name is Buddy, come up here. This is Cuddles' daddy. Cuddles' mommy now has a cocktail party story for the rest of the year. Oh, your nickname is Buddy. Oh, that's why. And of course, we described you to a T. Now, all of you have gotten to know Lloyd with the nickname Buddy, who's got a dog or a cat named Cuddles, who doesn't hear anything,